Today we will be talking about how to subtract integers. We've known how to subtract for some time now, since about first grade, but we've only been working with positive numbers. So we are going to start to integrate the negative numbers into it. So just to review what on a number line happens when we subtract. I have a very simple problem, 6 minus 2. Let's look what happens on a number line. What we do is we start with 6. Whatever your first number is, we start there. And then it says to subtract 2. And we know this for a long time. We just move to the left 2 digits. So we move from here back 2 units, and we get 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. When we subtract a positive number, we move left. Now you can probably guess what happens if we have to subtract a negative number. In other words, if I said we had to subtract a negative 2 from 6. So let's look what happens there. We're going to start at 6, but we are going to subtract a negative 2. That means we do the opposite. So instead of moving to the left 2 units, we are going to move to the right 2 units. So 6 minus a negative 2 is 8. You can probably guess what that really means in your head, but I'm not going to tell you the trick quite yet. So let's look at a couple more examples. Say we had negative 4 minus 6. Negative 4 minus 6. So I'm starting at negative 4, and I'm subtracting 6. So I'm subtracting a positive number. I'm moving left on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am moving down to negative 10. Negative 4 minus 6 equals negative 10. Let's see if we would have subtracted a negative 6 instead. So 4 minus negative 6. So we're going to move the opposite direction with our 6. We're still starting at negative 4. We are going to move this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 4 minus a negative 6 is 2. This is just going to take some practice. You're going to do the same thing every single time. If you subtract a positive number, like in these top 2 cases, you're subtracting just like you did back in first grade. When we're subtracting a negative number, we are going to move the opposite way. Have fun.